Ladies and gentlemen, not just me, I think hundreds of boys like me have been groomed by this special charismatic person who's going to join his address in front of you. Can I request you? Yeah, he is a spokesperson of JDS and all, which is all secondary, but a super good human present amongst us. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request you from the bottom of hearts to please put your hands together and welcome Mr. Tanveer Ahmed to address your gathering. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it was him. If I'm able to address in front of you a village boy, it's because of Tanveer sir. Thank you so much for joining us and thank you for grooming boys like us, sir.
Namaskara, Assalamu alaikum. Ladies and gentlemen, dignitaries on the stage and off the stage. The country which you and I live is always beautified by the people who are making the dreams of this country come true. Those are the businessmen. So I think you have to give yourself a big round of applause, please. If at all you believe in your dream, it is a big round of applause to you people. हालात से सहमे हुए लोगों को बता दो, हालात से सहमे हुए लोगों को बता दो, हालात गुजर जाते हैं ठहरा नहीं करते, जागी हुई कौम के दिलावर हक छीन लिया करते हैं मांगा नहीं करते. This is exactly what my country did during the time of COVID. When the entire world was sleeping, this country was progressing. Why? Because of businessmen like you who wanted to really nurture a dream. I might be a politician, but before being a politician, I was a businessman. I was working as financial analyst in London. I was teaching at one of the best university in the world where Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru studied. I was teaching there. I got an honor to study and teach in London. Please, can I have your attention only for 5 minutes, then I'll take your chair. Yesterday, I was with this gentleman called Mohandas Pai. How many of you know him? Please raise your hand. It was just a brief meeting. Mohan said, Tanveer, there is a problem area. Can you solve it? Yesterday. Today morning, we addressed and we did really sign a business agreement of 4 crore rupees today morning. Before coming here, I was late because I was finishing that business deal, and 4 crore is not a small money. About 2 years back, myself and my friend, we came together saying that we will form a company on artificial intelligence and machine learning. We already raised about $2 million only with an idea. This is the progress this country is growing. Even now, if somebody says, I am unemployed in this country. Today morning, I was having a meeting with a company called Quest. How many of you know that? Quest Corporation. They were saying that Tanveer, give us 25,000 people in Karnataka. We will take it. 25,000 people is a large force. Why is this happening? My country and your country is definitely growing. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, e-commerce, everything is on a rampant. आपको एक बात मालूम है? During last 4 years, we have had 25 new billionaires. Out of which 12 billionaires come from my city of Bangalore. There are boys whom I used to teach maths. They were very, very bad. But today that boy is the youngest billionaire of India. This is the progress. I would like to congratulate. What does a businessman need? A businessman needs a dream before anybody could see. A capacity to give wings to that dream. जब तक आप एक बिजनेस आइडिया को एक फॉर्मुलेट नहीं करते। यहां पर यंग लेडीज बैठी हैं, बच्चियां बैठी हैं। आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू टुडे नाइका, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू नो नाइका? $1 billion idea. Women folks of this country are really progressing, and last 14 years women's wealth has grown 25 folds. The credit goes to you, because everybody would stand behind a person who has an idea and a hunger to implement that idea and to bring that idea to the ground. To bring that idea to the ground. Immaculacy of the thoughts does come from contemplation. The TV debates, what happen is definitely, I'm representing a political party. Definitely I do have my ideas, but I have an idea that this country is going to be a superpower country in next 10 years only because of the business and the progress which we are making. Political ideologies are absolutely different. I might really not agree to the political ideology of another person, and he might not agree to the political ideology of, but the duty of every individual of this country is to live the world which you and I live. We have not inherited from our parents. We have borrowed from our children. When you borrow it from your children, you have to beautify that. You have to give a better world. In terms of roads, in terms of infrastructure, in terms of oxygen, every person who's planting a tree is a businessman. Why? He's giving oxygen to, not to me, to my children, to my grandchildren, great-grandchildren. The ideas. A small man who was selling oranges could get a Padma Shri. A lady who didn't even have shoes, chappal, got a Padma Shri. This is the country which you and I need to really think about. And I want to congratulate my friends who came together to bring all the folks together and say that we would recognize the youngsters, the people with an idea, and give them an award. This is what needs to do. I would like to congratulate the organizers who are really doing a fantastic job. If I'm a very small person, but I have an access to the world. I have an access to the world, to who's who of the world. If you have a billion business idea and you are finding it difficult to take that idea to a good investing partner who can really join hands together, please ensure that you would contact the organizers and come and have a meeting with me. I would take you. Especially the women folks, your ideas are brilliant. Before I bring any business idea to the table, to my investors, I always discuss it with my daughters, because they have a critical analysis. What is management? It is an art of getting things done through and with people. Asif missed out one more piece of information I want to give. If you feel like it is worth applauding, you can. I am the first and only politician in India who has climbed Mount Everest. I think businessmen are more enthusiastic. I think you can really do it. Asif, I can get bigger round of applause than you do. Can I have a bigger round of applause for Asif, please, who are really doing wonderful for his life? Yes. Enthusiasm. Whenever a business call comes to you, कोई भी आपको business call करता है, वो आपका चेहरा नहीं देख रहा है, वो आपकी आवाज को सुन रहा है, वो आपकी आवाज के अंदर की भूख को सुन रहा है, वो आपकी आवाज के अंदर की शिद्दत को सुन रहा है. अगर उस शिद्दत को आप आंसर कर रहे हैं, sir, I don't have that product, but I have a better product, or I have an alternative product, I have a discussion to make, can I have? Absolutely, your roads are going to open. Now, I'm just going to conclude by saying, next 10 years, this is the country to be and this is the city to be. Anything which you are going to touch with a good thought process and planning is going to turn into gold. So it is your opportunity. When you make money, you are not making money for your children. You are not making money for your grandchildren. You are making to ensure that this country is going to grow. That is the dream. This country is going to get a better infrastructure. That is the dream. So let's really congratulate people who are sitting and people, the organizers of Karnataka Business Awards 2021. I wish them all the very best in all their endeavors. The gentleman, the chairman from FKCCI, sir. FKCCI, how many of you know that it was founded by the Sir Mirza Ismail Sahab? He was a great visionary. He's the real architect of industries of this state of Karnataka. The Infosys is an yesterday story. Today, you have to take up a pen to write a new story. I know some companies. Flipkart, the Bansals, the Udan, Sujit. Sujit used to take books from Mandi, bring it to his place and sell it on e-platform. Today his company is valued at $4 billion. A Bihari boy. ठीक से अंग्रेजी भी नहीं बोल पाता था. $4 billion का company. Zerodha, where you can do your stock exchange, $1 billion idea. So make ideas come. No idea is a wrong idea. Kasadinda rasa ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? Today the garbage industry is worth $1 billion in Bangalore. If you have better idea for garbage, the world is waiting. So bring all your ideas together, bring all your dreams together, bring all the people, which is the best thing to invest today. It is not the money. Money will come. Narayan Murthy sold his wife's jewelry to get the first set of investment. Today, who are the people who followed Narayan Murthy? They all are billionaires. Money will come. But you have to believe in your idea. You have to give wings to your idea. तो मैं बस अपनी बात को विराम देता हूं इतना कहते हुए कि आप लोग इस मुल्क को, इस मुल्क की तहजीब को, इस मुल्क के कल्चर को, इस मुल्क के इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को, इस मुल्क को जब तक आप कैपेसिटी रखता है आपके ड्रीम को विंग्स देने के लिए, आपके ड्रीम को सही बनाने के लिए. आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक ऑल द ऑर्गेनाइजर्स हु हैव गिवन मी एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू कम हियर एंड माय गुड फ्रेंड्स आर ऑल देयर. Mohsin Saab has been, one person whom I really follow. He's a person who's a very outspoken person, very bold as well, unlike a lot of my other friends. But thank you very much for calling me. मैं छोटा सा तालिबुल इल्म हूँ, सीखता हूँ. आप लोगों के पास कुछ better idea है, उसको कुछ help चाहिए. Definitely I would work along with you. Thank you very much. सर्वरिगु नमस्कार. जय हिंद, जय कर्नाटका.